Welcome guys, this is Karan from Technical India G, and today I'm gonna show you that how to make your camera like a DSLR. So without wasting time, let's get started. This is the simple way that you can make your camera like a DSLR. First you have to go in Chrome or other browser, and then you have to paste your URL and then search this. When it's open, then slide your mobile's window and click on C and click on first. And then slide, and there is the option to download APK. Then download your APK and click on here and click on download. And then I already download this camera. I click some shots of this camera. You can see what is different between the normal camera and this Google camera.